Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, doston. Assalamu alaikum. Not long ago, I received a call from a friend in the middle of the night that he has gotten burnt, both hands, both feet, as he was pouring petrol in a generator that was running. There was a power outage, but that's not the story. The story is something else. So we took him to Burn Center Civil Hospital. Now on the way, I called up a friend of mine who works there and I requested her, can you please kindly help me out? I'm bringing a patient in an emergency just so that he receives quick treatment. She said, no problem, I'll give a call there. When we got there, everything was ready. He received fantastic treatment and we came back home. However, after 2 days, I called up that friend of mine who had helped me out to thank her. And I said, thank you very much for helping me out. You know what she said? She said, Ali, why are you thanking me? You and I should both thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us an opportunity to help another human being. If he would have given this opportunity to somebody else, what you and I could have done about it. There's a very famous couplet by a poet of our subcontinent, Jigar Muradabadi, which says that Allah agar taufiq na de, इंसान के बस का काम नहीं, इरफान मोहब्बत आम तो है, फैज़ान मोहब्बत आम नहीं। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।